trying to tie both worlds together.
Wasn't that a card game?
Yeah. No. It's like League of Legends. So it's like Dota style. Actually, it's a lot of fun, but
I can't stand those kind of games.
Hearthstone is a card game.
not Hearthstone. I'm sorry, but it was another game by Blizzard.
You're talking about Defense? No,
it was
Heroes
like
of the Storm.
Heroes of the Storm. Sorry, yes, that's what I meant. I apologize. Yep, that's exactly what I meant.
I never played it, but I heard it sucked.
Actually, it was a lot of fun. I played it. I had a lot of hours in that game. It was a lot of fun.
Is it basically just a push and pull between point A and point B?
I mean, essentially, it's just like League of Legends, like Dota. You're literally fucking running around. Like I ran around Diablo. You know, it's characters of the game. You could be StarCraft characters fucking playing that motherfucker.
See, what they need to do is Multiverses coming out? I saw that it was. So what they need to do is just put all brands into that game. Or like, what if you had a game where your company could just like musicians sell songs on iTunes or whatever. Your company could sell skins. So like if you wanted to, you could go buy like if you're playing Fortnite and you could buy skins from any brand or whatever, any IP you could think of. You could go get like a Harry Potter skin, you could go get a Thor from Smite skin, you can get a Bayonetta skin, you know, whatever, just to play that game. That'd be kind of sweet. Do like the Crow.
God damn.
Thanatos is badass.
No, just no. I'm doing just fine, thank you. What? Oh,
What happened?
oh, they quit. Oh, they quit.
Why didn't they just jump off the edge?
Because they found out that I was fucking badass.
Wow, what happened?
I essentially took on both of them at the same time, the last 2 rounds.
But what do you mean they quit?
Helped.
Did the game end early?
Aaron did help. Oh yeah. We beat them out twice, and they've just fucking quit the last one. They were like, nope, we're not even trying.